Yo, what up, everyone? I found this double pack set display at Target. Yes, I took all eight of them. I took all eight of them because you know why? Because I'm chasing the manga Luffy or the Eiichiro sign card, the card that Gora signed. Well, not the card that Gora signed, but it has his signature. So let's stack these little boxes. Let's open them. Let's pull the manga Luffy. Whoo! They are in these packs, man. OP05. I love it. I love this set. It has so many good cards. What do we have? What do we have right here? Toto. Don Giant. Buffalo. Riku Toto. Bellamy. Number one. Wari. Monet. And Ulti Super Rare. Okay. It's a good start. Good start. Now let's get to the second pack. What do we have? The Viper, Ranger, Sangoro, Steri, Pachopa, Baby 5, Mommy Robin, and Shura, the Capricornio. Let's get to the second box. The first box, it was alright. We got a super rare. Nothing major, but it was a good start. Domination, Chupa Chupa, Dragon Claw, Belly, Bellamy, Ivankok, Ponies, Pepo, another SR, okay. Borsalino, Kizaru, Borsalino. Borsalino is good for the Sakazuki deck. No, even good. But let's keep going. Matcha, Traffy, Corazon, and Crowd. Nothing. We didn't get nothing good out of box number 2. Hopefully we'll get lucky in this one. 2 more packs. 2 more these. I saw a lot of people. I mean, yeah. I saw a lot of people in X posting that they were getting mangas or the Eiichiro car. They got a car from this double set pack, so I wanted to give it a try. I have a few booster boxes that I still need to open because I really want the looking. Holy moly, Toto. Belly. Mommy Robin, Morley, another SR, the one Sabu. Man, already box number 4. I can't believe we haven't pulled any AAs, parallels, red SPs, something. Oh my god, we have another Dawn. At least we know we're not getting anything good in this box. Damn. Next pack. Orobi, stainless steel, only Bell. Dragon Clown. Oh, mommy. And our first parallel is X-ray. Man, I already have 2 of these X-rays in Japanese. I didn't need another one in English. A hit is a hit. I'll take it, but I hope it gets better from here. Whoa, I just noticed that the back is Kaido. I didn't know that Kaido was in the back. Oh, that guy is annoying. Man, I don't know if you guys are reading the manga. I mean, I don't want to. Oh, God. I mean, it's not the Oda card. It's not the Goda. Wait. Oh yeah, I don't know if you guys are reading the manga, but the Kuma story, man. The Kuma story. Kuma story. It hits you. It hits you. Box number 6. Box number 6. I'm kind of giving up in these double packs. We have only hit the X-ray parallel art and the Luffy anniversary illustration, but it's not the Gora sign. Another little law, Kamikaze law. Come on, Nika, give me something good. Nika. Papaya. Totally. Boston Bay. Chaka de Virgo. And another SO. Okay, now that's good. I wanna play Luffy, so this card is good. I need a set of 4. So 3 more to go. See that chase card right there? Sakazuki? That's my Luffy, the one that I need. Kobe. Gedatsu. Gedatsu is good for if you're playing an Edu. Come on. Give me something good. Mommy Belly, the crowd, Mommy BB, last book magic, baby. First pack out of the last box. I know I don't have a parallel either, so. Can I get a parallel card? Can I get Manga Luffy? Manga Law? Manga Key? Nope. Let's put magic, baby. We're gonna get a manga right here. Nope. We ain't getting anything. That's what I get for being a scalper, man. Sheesh. I will learn my lesson. And I won't take everything. You get that done. Thank you for watching. And in the next video, I'm gonna open a booster box and we're gonna get our chase card.